Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can move borderless forms, that's ones with no title bar, using a simple mouse down event. And to do so we just need one line of code, DragFormWindow Me, and that utilizes two API calls. Very simple. The article that goes with this is at isleofdogs.co.uk move borderless form. Okay, let's explain in a little bit more detail before I show you the application. Most forms then are moved by simply dragging whilst holding down the mouse on the form title bar. Very easy to do, but if you like borderless forms for their clean look, you don't have a title bar and therefore it's not possible to do that. But as I already stated, just one line of code is needed to do this with the mouse down event. And that line of code, DragFormWindow Me, I will explain in just a couple of seconds with my example app. And that has a single form, borderless, and it really doesn't get much easier to solve than this. So let's go to the app. And I'm going to start off with a version with a title bar there. It's got a thin border in this case, and as I said, you just literally move the form around like that. Let's now just change that then to a borderless form, which is something I use a lot. So we change the border style to none, save the form, go back to here. No title bar, so obviously we can't click up there. But as you can see, I've actually added code that allows me to do this very simply by just dragging on various sections of the form in either the header or the detail section. And let's look at the code for that. Now, all the code actually needed to do this is in a single module, modMoveForm. There's a couple of constants here which I won't explain, but they're used in the simple code that follows here. And we use two APIs, one of which sends a message to whichever window or windows you have open and then waits for action basically, and then a second one that releases the mouse capture once you've actually stopped holding the mouse down. And I've put these together in a single function then, DragFormWindow, and then followed by Me if you're doing that within the form, or if you're doing it from outside the form, you name the form there. So with the active form that we're talking about, ReleaseCapture, okay, using this API here to release the mouse capture from a window in the current thread and return normal mouse input processing. Then we send a message and we send it to the current form for which we use its hwind property, and then we use these two constants that basically tell it to move wherever the mouse is dragging this here, and that's a 0 at the end there. Don't need to understand that, you just need to use that. So if we go to the code here, then I have got in the detail section there, detail mouse down event, button as integer, etc. DragFormWindow Me. I've also got that in the header. I've also got that in various bits of label text as well. You don't have to put it in more than one place, just put it wherever it's convenient to you. But once you've done that, as I said, all you have to do then is to drag anywhere where you've applied that code. Anywhere where the code isn't applied, for example in the footer here, nothing happens at all. And that's it. Very simple indeed. That's all for today, and I'm going to be showing you a series of videos over the next few weeks on utilizing and extending the functionality of forms. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, please add a like and leave a comment, suggest topics for future videos, and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, you'll be notified when new videos such as this are uploaded. Thanks again, see you soon.